Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of phrasal verbs, those handy little phrases that can really spice up your English. We will explore some common phrasal verbs, helping you understand their meanings and how to use them in everyday conversations. So let's get started and make your language skills even stronger. Scale back. It means to reduce or make something smaller. It's like cutting down on something you usually do. For example, we need to scale back our spending this month because we have a tight budget. After the holidays, I decided to scale back on sweets to eat healthier. Sort through. It means to go through a collection of things and organize, or find what you need. It's like cleaning up or deciding what to keep. For example, I need to sort through my clothes and donate what I don't wear anymore. He sorted through the paperwork to find the important documents. Trade in. It means to give something to a store in exchange for credit or a discount on a new item. It's like trading an old item for a new one. For example, I want to trade in my old phone for a new model at the store. She decided to trade in her bicycle for a better one. Hunt down. This means to search for something carefully until you find it. It's like looking for something that is hard to find. For example, I had to hunt down my keys because I lost them in the house. He spent hours hunting down the perfect gift for his friend. Backslide. This means to return to a bad habit or a previous state after improving. It's like taking a step backward. For example, after eating healthy for a month, I backslid and had too many snacks. She worked hard to stop smoking, but sometimes she backslides when she's stressed. Snoop around. This means to secretly look for information or to investigate something without being noticed. It's like being curious about someone else's things. For example, I found him snooping around my desk, trying to find my secrets. She snooped around the house to see if anyone was hiding a surprise party. Zone out. This means to lose focus or become distracted, often staring into space. It's like when your mind is wandering away from what's happening. For example, during the boring lecture, I started to zone out and think about lunch. Sometimes I zone out when I am tired and forget what people are saying. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the phrasal verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language tips. Keep learning and see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.